We are probably another 200-300 meters now downstream. We're heading again south on the Brydson Creek. As you can see, we've gotten to an area where the land is quite level. There's not a dramatic decrease in elevation, so the stream is actually quieted down. It's very peaceful here. You can see it running very peacefully down towards the Blue Springs Creek. And it's widened up a little bit. The water is a little bit slower with respect to flow, but you can still see, and I hope you can see, lots of movement, lots of sand. When the fish expert, the ecologist, was with us last fall, we actually found fish here, and if you can see the sandy areas in the creek, this is where the fish actually lay their eggs, and the area where they lay the eggs are called redds. So we were looking for redds across all of this area, and we found, I think last count in a half an hour, about 6 redds. So this is a very high abundance stream with respect to breeding grounds for brook trout. Again, what a view. A beautiful untouched forest. No, there's been no development here for probably centuries. Very primitive, very wild. Again, what you would see in Algonquin Park, right here in Rockwood. Again, quite a gem for us. And hopefully we can protect this system. Carl Schiffer, who was the PhD who actually performed the fish studies and the fish count, thought that this was one of the best brook trout streams in Ontario. Very high abundance. Much more in abundance with respect to brook trout than even the Blue Springs Creek, which is a huge creek. Much bigger than this creek that is considered cold water. But not certainly as cold as this stream. Again, trying to give you a moment of zen to see this beautiful, peaceful creek that has to be protected. I hope you can hear the babbling in the background, and I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit to let you take this in. We finished our tour, so we will say goodbye, and I hope you've experienced some of the joy that we've felt walking this area. It certainly is a gorgeous area, very wild, very primitive, very untouched. Again, something to be preserved. Thank you.